How to make Chrome, Edge, and Brave always open in full screen or maximized on Windows 11. Right-click your browser shortcut and select Properties. To make your browser always open in full screen, go to the Target field of the Shortcut tab, add a space to the very end of the path, and type --start full screen. Or if you want to make your browser always open maximized, select Maximized from the Run drop-down menu. Click Apply. Click OK. To undo the full screen setting, go to the Target field. Delete the --start full screen text from the end and save your changes.